Honda Civic 1.8 petrol, Honda Diesel, Toyota City. This whole bus stand, and this man is run out from petrol, so he's doing some. Now that's Hyundai Elantra. Wow. Nice. So this restaurant, because the Ramadan and they are closed, they will open after 6 o'clock. So this is Chand Gadi, this is Toyota, this is man try to drive bicycle, this motorbike. Please leave your comments where you're from and I can try to make a video from there. Thank you. This is police station in Pakistan, Gujarat, 8VN. This government Fatima Associate College for Women. Amanat Ali, something. And there's road show at Gujarat, the jail show, Timbal Chowk, strawberry €1 per kg. This is Golgappas, and this is Bank of Punjab, Gujarat. And this is Toyota GLI. No. Not supposed to overtake in one way, but still it's okay. This is Pakistan. No. There is. And vegetable samosa. Everyone is in rush. I don't know why they're doing rush for. Now we try to overtake. Now we did. So you're not supposed to do that. Oh, sorry. There's chicken. There's sports shop. It's too hot and I'm getting warm. It's too hot. Even my phone is giving me warning that temperature is too hot, so my video can be stopped anytime. Because 35, 36 at the moment, maybe 38. Abdullah. There is a car. There's more traffic, guys. Oh, guys, there's the overtake from us. Chand Gadi. This is the famous Karahi shop, Alfredo pizza shop in Pakistan. That's Golden City. Dumpot chicken, like steamed chicken, cooked in the, I don't know, whatever. But there, sports shop. That's advanced. Oh, there's Nike shoes. Wow. Nike shoes for €10. Imported shoes from €7. Fashion Hub, Beauty Clinic. cool down. Now, there's a musician. Three Chand Garden restaurant over here. This is Pakistan. Anything can. Someone is coming from there. Guys, please do like and subscribe to my channel. It's take too much of effort. It's too warm here, and I'm still trying to finish it. There's more to show you. Stay with me. Now there's left side the overtake. No parking. You can see there's parking. Tuk tuk. Tuk tuk. Angin. Heart of Gujarat city. And now there's fresh vegetables, fresh strawberry for 50 cents per kg, fresh strawberries, and this some, This is the Cherry Road now. Charging वाले काम हो रहा है। पूर्ता लाइक करना वेदा नहीं है, लेकिन ये ज़्यादा नहीं वेदा। ला के कम कर लेगा ना। गाड़ी के ज़्यादा वीडियो होती है। हाँ। 8 मिनट 10 मिनट। So, this is Kachari Road. All the important stuff. Mini Minor, Leather Point. Oh, now there you go.